Understanding the Orientation Program. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, where we help you enhance your English learning journey. Today, we're going to explore a common phrase you might encounter in educational and professional settings: orientation program. Whether you're starting a new job, entering a university, or joining any new group, understanding this term will be incredibly helpful. So, let's dive in. An orientation program is a planned event or series of events designed to introduce new members to an organization, institution, or their new roles within a company. These programs are typically structured to provide newcomers with essential information, such as the organization's policies, culture, expectations, and the resources available to them. It's a crucial step in helping individuals feel welcomed and prepared for their new venture. Orientation programs can vary widely depending on the organization, but they often share some common elements. Welcome speech, a greeting from key figures in the organization to make new members feel valued and included. Introduction to the organization, information about the history, mission, values, and culture of the institution or company. Overview of policies and procedures, essential details about the rules, regulations, and operational procedures. Tour of the facility, a guided walkthrough of the physical or virtual workspace to help newcomers orient themselves. Networking opportunities, events or activities designed to foster connections among new and existing members. Participating in an orientation program has several advantages. Eases the transition, helps new members acclimate to their environment and reduces initial anxiety. Improves understanding, ensures that everyone has a clear idea of what is expected of them and how they fit into the larger picture. Builds connections, encourages the formation of important relationships and networks within the organization. Enhances engagement. Engaged members are more likely to be productive and satisfied in their new roles. We hope this video has shed some light on the importance and structure of orientation programs. Whether you're stepping into a new school, job, or any other organization, understanding what an orientation program entails can significantly smooth your transition. Remember, it's all about setting you up for success in your new adventure. Thank you for watching, and we wish you the best in your English learning journey. See you in the next video.